Hi everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we're reviewing a new AI tool, and this is one of the best landing AI landing page builder. You can generate a full landing page for your product or service or digital product just in one click, and you can create email templates. Use this AI tool too. Now we'll log in on this AI tool. You'll find the link in the description. Now we are logged, and here the dashboard inside this tool. For get started, you just click on create a new project. Here the project, click on it, and here your landing page. You can generate it from scratch. Here basic models, you can just click on templates and you can use it and customize it for your landing page. This is the header, all the header. You can just click on it and you'll optimize it. The content, you find it in here. You can change anything on this all templates. Here the features, the call to action, and here for the call to action templates. There's more in here. Just click on templates and you can use it for free. And this for e-commerce store, if you want to sell, to create landing page for a specific product, like this, just click on it and here you use it. Just click on the text and you'll change it for your product name, and click on the image product too. You can change it for your product. Click on here and go to upload. You can upload your image or just paste the URL image in here and you upload it in here. This all the call to action. If you have a digital product or SaaS or affiliate marketing, just click on the templates and here you'll customize it. Upload your image. You can upload your image from your desktop and you'll use it and for free. Let's go back here. You change the text, the color, the button, and a lot and other things. Let's go back. This you can transaction your products, for credit card, here for e-commerce. You can you want to create landing page for your product, just click on it, upload your image, product image, and use it for free. That's it in this video. If you want to try this AI tool, find the link in the description, and see you the next one.